So this is the lot I ran successfully when I started in 2014. I outsold all the sales guys. The owner of Michael's, you know, that's him. This is also the main lot. Remember the main lot? This is the main lot of Concourse that no longer exists. Okay, so now we're going to travel down to my lot that I really ran and popped all the cars off. Last year at tax time, I sold all the cars here at Concourse. So up here, you still got cars. I think it's like 3 or 4. They've been telling me. So they still got to come get these cars. But I'm showing you all in person that Concourse is no longer here. They were bought out, so he immediately sold the dealership. I see brand new stuff inside, so they're getting ready to remodel. I just wanted to show everyone, because I can't, 4 years of a database, it's hard to kind of show y'all and tell all of you all and reach out to all of you all that I'm no longer at Concourse. After 43 years, Concourse no longer exists. Stay tuned, Mary the Car Sales Lady Reality TV. Make sure you're following me on Facebook, Mary the Car Sales Lady. Make sure you're following me on YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mary the Car Sales Lady, and make sure you're following me here on Instagram, Mary the Car Sales Lady. I am the broker for the Paul Cerami Automotive Group, so I'm no longer with Concourse. Concourse no longer exists. Being in a male-dominated field is not hard. I mean, it's not easy is what I meant to say, but hey, I'm gonna keep on pushing. Your favorite car sales lady. Stay tuned. Your favorite car sales lady, and that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, 7 to 3:20 p.m. The Hibachi Grill.
GPS signal lost.
I don't need it anymore. I found the place. Where'd my mama go? Why you got them shades on, mother? Hey! It's your favorite daughter.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Wait a minute. Just act natural.
Yeah, just act natural.
Act natural.
So I'm gonna go get my food, and then customer's still at work. I'm full now.
You feel better, huh?
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna have to change my boots. I don't know. So yeah. So my mom is in the market for a 2018. However, I've convinced her to look at some 2017 cars. So we're gonna go out here and find a car for my mom. So that's my mom and her future husband. Toyota Camry, Hyundai Elantra, Nissan Altima, Nissan Maxima, Chrysler 300. See? I'm gonna write down anything you like.
Yeah.
I like this one. You don't like the Sentra? That's one. That's
15, 16.
well, we can ride across the street. I jump in the back. But on this lot so far, just the red Nissan. Okay. 2014 Chrysler 300S. The new owners are here. My family, congratulations, Nikki, Rayshawn. car is so beautiful, so beautiful. So we're heading to Kia. 116. This is the door, ain't it? The Dodge door. Stinger right there. On this side.
Over here?
Mm-hmm. We'll park right in the front. Kia, and then we walk over there. Wow. My camera gonna die. Oh, okay. We got more smaller cars over here. I like this here. This one's certified pre-owned, so it's practically brand new. Practically brand new. 2017 Kia Rio. It has 14 miles on it. 14. This is 16 Versa. Let me know if we need keys too to sort it up, or we just looking today. We can do that. Is that a stick?
The stick has an automatic.
Oh, I like this. This is 16 too. In the stock numbers, so I had to look them up online. The prices. This is this is run long. This one only has 36,000 miles on it. We got 3 picked out on here. There's more. Kia Soul. Real good too.
What you call the guy that?
Toyotas run forever too, so I don't know if you like this Toyota.
I like my
This is 2016 with 41,000 miles. Toyota. Look on the inside. It's oh, I need some of these stickers. This is where I see we got a lot of the small cars, which is good for me to know. But they ordered them all, and they told me they ordered 30-some cars to accommodate my database. Let's see if I see anything else. Which one? You want to see this one? You want me to go get the keys so we can start it up and stuff? You know, and let me know if you want to drive. Oh, look at the inside. I'll be right back while y'all still looking. That's a 2015 Lamont. Let me go grab him. He's back here. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Lamont, he was looking for you. He picked out a car.
Doug's the boss. One of the bosses is there. Okay.
Yay.
He got the key thing. That's what I was going to take you to.
Hey,
What do you got?
Doug and
They sent me over here to pick up an escape.
Always stuff comes from what you digest and what you put in your body.
that's so
Okay,
true.
so come over here and see my brother. He gonna get you right because we're all about here. You have to start this day without your body.
Wind down Wednesday.
Okay, Jessie B. She over there promoting.
Mm-hmm.
Jessie B's Academy is in the building.
Jessie B.
We're getting ready for our ball. Okay, we have this is our third and kids and keep them in an included environment so that all the kids learn together. And we are for years. She's in the Lindbergh School District for years to get her academy together. She's been Black Exchange, Wind Down Wednesday. We've been to Sister Spread. We've been 150 Delmar Boulevard in the loop right across the street from the pageant. We have plenty of parking spaces
Beautiful
right
jewelry.
now.
I see that.
promise you there'll be
It's just bling.
traffic is starting to die down. $10 gel polish changes, $5 strip lashes. I said $5 brow wax already?
Yes.
$5. Okay. So we got all types of stuff. $1 massages, tarot card readings. The hidden lady's on her way. She just told me she's stuck in
Oh my
traffic
God,
a
I was
little
praying
bit,
she
so-
come. Hey, Mr. Relaxation and Wellness.
Our tickets. Third prize gets a 30-minute massage, gift certificate from myself, and a $50 gift certificate to Girlfriend's Boutique.
Yeah, so
My
tell them one more
sister-
time what you get.
Sister, I'm gonna buy your raffle ticket while I'm here.
First prize is 4 concert tickets.
Oh.
Second prize is 2 concert tickets. And then the third prize is a 30-minute gift certificate, massage for myself, and then a $50 gift certificate to Girlfriend's Boutique.
We got the henna lady coming. Vanessa, if you was here, I'm getting me a henna. I'm gonna have her put it on my shoulder. Let me show you. That's what's popping off here at the Cocktails and Beauty Bar and the Del Mar Loop. You want to come see your favorite STL car sales lady. What I got popping off is just basic information if you know you're going to hit the market for a car soon. The highlighted information is all I need tonight. From there, I will contact you and let you know how I can assist you further. The goal is for you to stack 1,000 down, 1,000 down. Bank criteria. That's what I need. No concerns about your credit. Stack 1,000. Your favorite car sales lady. I got you. And check out my website, marrythecarsaleslady.com. So tonight I'm gonna give me a henna. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. I'm gonna get my lashes done. Oh, you're still recording?